Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Zeanex AR. We have started the series of augmented reality tutorials. This is the fifth part of it, in which we are going to show you that how to display text on an image target. For better understanding and for basic Unity settings, make sure to watch the first part of this series. Link in the description. So let's get into it. Add another image target. Go to Vuforia engine, click on image, import. Now reposition it. Now go to vuforia online developer portal, click on develop, go to target manager. We are working on a previous project, so clicking on it, add an image target. I already added this fifth target, name is at fifth target. Now download database, Unity editor, download. Now it's downloaded, so I'm dragging it into the Unity. Click on import. Now click on the image target. I am naming it as fifth target. Make sure the fifth target is selected. Now right click on the fifth target, go to 3D object, select 3D text. I am scaling it as 0.005. Same with y-axis, same with z-axis. Now as you can see, Arial font is selected and we cannot do changes with Arial, so we have to select another text format. I am selecting this. Now click on this, select that font. Now change its size to 300 and change the character to Unicode. Click apply. Add text. Rotate it 90 degree. Position it. This suits me. Now we are done. Now go to file, build settings. Now make sure your mobile phone is connected with your computer and click on build and run. Name it and save it and wait for it. Now it will create a map in your mobile phone. I am opening that app. As you can see, the text is loaded perfectly. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. God bless you all.